Ginger is a food that has been used to heal ailments for centuries. Ginger water is called an anti-inflammatory, which means it reduces swelling. Because of it being an anti-inflammatory, ginger water can fight general aches and pains. Ginger has a very strong smell, a bit of spice to it, and is used in many dishes throughout the world. Ginger contains a chemical called gingerol, which is the main reason why ginger is considered an anti-inflammatory. Gingerol also helps the body kill germs and cleanse itself. Ginger is a root that grows underground that is high in nutrients which protect your body and fight off diseases. As mentioned before, ginger has essential oils. Some oils contained within ginger are limonene, citronella and gingerol. These all provide the body with positive health effects. The most amazing oil is gingerol, which is the oil that gives ginger its spicy flavor. It also decreases swelling and inflammation and can be used to treat arthritis and osteoarthritis. It is also high in vitamin C, B-complex vitamins, and minerals like calcium, chromium, aluminum, and phosphorus. Benefits of ginger water. Ginger water is made by combining ginger with lemon and honey. Ginger water can eliminate headaches and migraines. It does this by blocking a substance that inflames the blood vessels in your brain. Ginger water can also help your digestion, increase blood flow, and prevent varicose and spider veins. This magic water also relieves joint and muscle pain. It has proven effective in fighting symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. Ginger water is low in calories and a healthy choice for a beverage because it can increase your metabolism and help you to lose weight. How to make ginger water. Ginger water is easy and cheap to make, and you can find all of the ingredients at your local grocery store. You will have a healthy and anti-inflammatory drink that will make you feel good and pain-free. Ingredients: 5 tablespoons fresh ginger, 50 grams. 3c water, 750 milliliters. Juice from 1/2 lemon. 2 tablespoons organic honey, 50 grams. Directions: take the fresh ginger root and wash it well. Then grate it with a food grater. Then bring the water to a boil. Once boiling, add the ginger. Leave on low heat for 2 minutes, then remove from heat. Squeeze the lemon into it, then add the organic honey. You can consume this infusion warm, although you could also let it set in the fridge for a cold drink. Drink 2 or 3 cups a day. Ginger water also should not be consumed by someone who is pregnant because it could affect fetal hormones. If you want to use this mixture to combat nausea, consult your prenatal doctor. Also, ask your doctor before drinking ginger water if you are taking medication for diabetes or any that affect the circulatory system, as ginger water can negatively impact them. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.